ako pinanganak. This is administration. The work of administration. Talagang ito nakikita ko. Kaya
People's Rally ng United People's Initiative. Merong ginawang sulat ang United People's Initiative sa ating butihing mayor ng Manila tungkol sa pagkansela ng ating scheduled rally supposed to be ngayong araw. Babasahin ko lamang po itong aming sulat na pinadala kay Mayor Isko Moreno. UPI cancels July 26 People's Rally due to security concerns. The United People's Initiative, UPI, hereby announces the cancellation of its scheduled rally today, July 26, 2026, at Liwasang Bonifacio in Manila. This decision was reached after a comprehensive assessment of prevailing conditions, security conditions, and extensive consultations with concerned stakeholders. While UPI remains fully committed to the constitutional rights of the people to peacefully assemble and petition the government for redress of grievances, the safety and welfare of our participants, volunteers, organizers, law enforcement personnel, and the general public must always remain our foremost consideration. Based on the information available to us, proceeding with the activity at this time may expose thousands of attendees to unnecessary security risks and adversely affect public safety and order. Accordingly, UPI has decided to cancel the event as a purely precautionary measure. This decision should not be interpreted as a retreat from our principles or advocacy. UPI remains steadfast in its commitment to promote good governance, transparency, accountability, and meaningful democratic reforms through peaceful, lawful, and constitutional means. We sincerely apologize for any inconvenience this cancellation may cause to our supporters and partner organizations who have devoted their time, effort, and understanding and resources in preparation for this event. We deeply appreciate your understanding, continued trust, and unwavering support. Should circumstances become more conducive to ensuring the safety of all concerned, UPI will announce future activities through its official communication channels. We thank everyone for their understanding and continuous commitment to our shared vision for a better Philippines. Mabuhay ang sambayan ng Pilipino, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Romeo V. Pocus, Major General Retired, Chairman and Lead Convener of the United People's Initiative. So yun lamang po. So pasensya na sa mga kababayan natin na umaasa na makakadalo dito sa ating scheduled People's Rally, pero makakaasa kayo na upaplanuhan po uli natin ang mas marami, mas malawak na People's Rally, hindi lamang po dito sa Metro Manila, kundi sa iba't ibang lugar dito sa Luzon, Visayas, at Mindanao. Pwede po kayong magtanong kung meron po kayong mga gustong.
Sir, biyahe ni Benji TV. Di kaya itong di tayo binigyan ng permit ay dahil sa sabi ni Sir na nanganak na itong ating dahil nga lalong napapansin siguro ng na palaki ng palaki yung lumalaki yung rally natin. Di kaya yun yung kinatatakutan nila.
Si Captain Ray Valero sa ating Secretary General ang sasagot sa iyong katanungan. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat sa katanungan. Actually, 1 week before, nagbigay na tayo ng courtesy letter kay Mayor Isko at na-receive nila ito Monday, last Monday. So, sa Liwasang Bonifacio, meron tayong understanding ng City of Manila na yan ay isang freedom park. So, hindi natin kailangan ng permit. Pero lagi tayong nagbibigay ng courtesy letter sa City of Manila through the Office of Mayor Isko Dumagoso. So, ini-expect nila na ang rally talaga natin ngayong Sunday. So, kahapon lang, as per Colonel Jonathan Galang at Colonel Jun Metran at General Kita, nakabuo tayo ng consensus na talagang may posibilidad yung security issues. So ayaw naman natin kasi nung una marami tayo, pangalawa mas marami, pangatlo siguradong mas marami, at alam naman natin yung preparation rin ng ating mga kapatid sa ground na PNP na may nagpre-prepare sa HOR, may nagpre-prepare sa ibang lugar. So nag-decide ang pamunuan ng United People's Initiative na kansilahin yung ating event para ngayong araw at nagbigay tayo ng due notice letter kay Mayor Isko through our good friend, Chief of Staff ni Mayor Isko, si Sir Cesar Chavez. So, natanggap niya ngayong umaga yung ating letter na binasa ni General Romy Pukis at inaccept nila ito at nagpasalamat sila at sila na ang mag-relay sa Traffic Bureau ng Manila, sa MPD at sa lahat ng involved dun sa preparation ng ating security. Nagpapasalamat sila dahil nakapagbigay tayo ng on-time notice sa kanila dahil in-expect nila dapat hapon yung start ng event natin, usually alas 3 ng hapon, alas 4 and onwards. So ngayon nakapag-advise na sila sa lahat na hindi matutuloy yung rally natin. So properly advise sila at in-accept nila at mag-a-arrange si Sir Cesar Chavez, yung Chief of Staff ni Mayor Isko, ng interview kay Major General Romy Pukis. So yun yung update natin regarding sa lahat at na-advise natin. So wala tayong nakalimutan na i-advise at para maka-mobilize sila ng tama. Maraming salamat.
Kasi Colonel John Galang, ating Guard Security.
Thank you, sir. Magandang umaga po ulit sa lahat. Paglilinaw lang po kay Benj. Hindi naman po, wala pong kinancel ang city government ng Manila kasi Freedom Park po yan. Ang UPI po ang nagdesisyon na i-cancel yung ating supposedly rally ngayong hapon. Bakit? Meron po kaming mga natanggap na informasyon, security concerns po natin. At ayaw po natin ilagay yung ating mga kababayan na dadalo mamaya sana sa rally sa isang sitwasyon na malalagay sila sa alanganin o sa panganib. Consistent po kasi yung information na na-receive namin, kaya po last minute ang naging decision po ng Executive Committee ng United People's Initiative as approved din po ng ating Chairman and Lead Convener, si Major General Romy Pukis, na i-cancel na po natin for the time being. Kasi ayaw po nating magamit yung ating mga activities, gagamitin lang po nila yan sa kung anong hindi magandang balak nila. Kaya po kami po as a precautionary step, minabuto po namin na huwag muna natin ituloy ngayon para po hindi na kung ano man po yung binabalak nila na hindi maganda, hindi po tayo magiging parte nun at hindi po tayo magagamit. Yun po yung rason kung bakit po ang UPI ay nagdesisyon na pansamantala, hindi po muna tayo magkakandak ng ating rally ngayong araw na ito.